Crystals, ancient treasures, timeless allure. Crystals are beautiful. Crystals are powerful. Their allure has captivated humanity for centuries, drawing us in with their vibrant colors and mysterious energies. Since ancient times, people have used crystals. They were not just ornaments, but held significant roles in various cultures and civilizations. They used them for healing. Ancient healers believed that crystals could channel energy to promote physical and emotional well-being. They used them for protection. Crystals were thought to ward off negative energies and provide a shield against harm. Crystals have energy. This energy can help us. It can be harnessed to enhance our daily lives, providing support in times of need. It can help our minds and bodies. The calming presence of crystals can reduce stress, improve focus, and promote overall health. Crystals can bring balance to our lives. They can harmonize our surroundings and bring a sense of peace and stability. Many cultures believe in crystals. From the ancient Egyptians to modern spiritual practices, crystals have always held a place of reverence. They tell stories about crystals. These stories often speak of their origins, powers, and the ways they can influence our lives. These stories are passed down. Generations share their knowledge and experiences, keeping the tradition alive. They teach us about the power of crystals. Through these tales, we learn how to connect with and utilize their energies. Crystals connect us to the earth. They remind us of our roots and the natural world around us. They remind us of nature's beauty. Crystals are a gift from the earth, offering us a glimpse into the wonders of the natural world. A rainbow of healing, exploring crystal varieties. Crystals come in many colors. Each color has meaning. Each color has energy. Purple crystals are for wisdom. Amethyst is a purple crystal. It helps with peace and intuition. Pink crystals are for love. Rose quartz is a pink crystal. It helps with self-love and kindness. Clear crystals are for clarity. Clear quartz is a clear crystal. It helps with energy and focus. Choosing your crystal allies. Finding the perfect match. Choosing a crystal is personal. Trust your intuition. What crystal are you drawn to? Hold the crystal in your hand. How does it make you feel? Does it feel warm? Does it feel calming? You can choose crystals by color. You can choose crystals by their meaning. Let your intuition guide you. The right crystal will choose you. In this section, Crystal Care 101, we will explore the essential practices for maintaining the vitality of your precious gems. Cleansing and energizing your gems is crucial for their effectiveness and longevity. We dive into how to maintain the purity and power of your crystals, ensuring they remain potent and beneficial. Crystals need to be cleansed because they absorb energy from their surroundings, including negative vibrations. You can cleanse them with water. Just simply hold them under running water. This method is quick and effective, washing away any unwanted energies. Alternatively, sunlight and moonlight are also wonderful natural elements for energizing and purifying your gems. Place your crystals in direct sunlight or moonlight for several hours to recharge their energy. Another effective method is using sage, a powerful herb known for its ability to remove negative energy. Light the sage and let the smoke envelop your crystals, purifying them thoroughly. Additionally, you can use salt, a natural cleanser. Place your crystals in a bowl of salt overnight to draw out impurities. Sound cleansing is another technique. Use a singing bowl to create vibrations that cleanse and energize your crystals. By regularly cleansing and energizing your gems, you ensure they remain vibrant and full of positive energy, ready to support you in your daily life. In Section 5, Crystals in Your Life, Everyday Rituals and Practices, we explore how you can incorporate crystals into your daily routine. You can carry them with you to maintain a connection to their energy throughout the day. Placing them in your home can create a peaceful atmosphere. Meditating with crystals is also a transformative practice. Just hold a crystal in your hand, focus on your breath, and feel the energy. Adding crystals to your bath is another lovely way to relax and let the healing properties of the crystals work. Indeed, crystals can significantly enhance your life. You can also place crystals on your desk at work to help maintain focus and clarity throughout the day. Wearing crystal jewelry is another way to keep their energy close to you. Incorporating crystals into your garden can promote growth and harmony in your plants. Some people even add crystals to their water bottles to infuse their water with positive energy. Using crystals during yoga can deepen your practice and enhance your connection to the earth. Placing crystals in a child's room can create a calming and protective environment. Keeping crystals in your car can provide protection and peace during your travels. Creating a dedicated meditation space with crystals can amplify your intentions and support your spiritual growth. Finally, placing crystals in your creative space can inspire creativity and innovation. Truly, the possibilities are endless when it comes to enhancing your life with crystals. Moving to Section 6, Journey into the Depths. Your crystal exploration awaits. Remember, this is just the beginning. There is so much to learn about crystals. Start by reading books about crystals to deepen your understanding. Don't hesitate to talk to crystal experts or visit a crystal shop to experience these gems firsthand. Explore the world of crystals and embrace this journey. Crystals are a gift. Enjoy their beauty and power as you discover more about them.